Oh, hello again everybody. Yesterday I put up a video on bar billiards where I played a game with my twin brother, and I mentioned on a couple of occasions putting top on the ball or side on the ball. Now if you play billiards, snooker, pool or anything like that, you'll know what I meant, but it occurred to me that some people might not fully understand what I was getting at or why. So I'm going to do a little demonstration on putting top or side or bottom on the ball when you play on that's on the cue ball. Now, it's not quite as effective in bar billiards because you can't or you shouldn't hit the ball quite as hard as you would need to, and you could do in pool, snooker or billiards. But whatever you're playing, you need plenty of chalk on your cue, otherwise the cue will slip off and the ball will go somewhere it shouldn't. So under normal circumstances you would hit the ball right in the middle and it would come straight back to you or carry straight on. But if I wanted the ball to veer off to the left, then I hit the ball on the left hand side, and or I want it to veer to the right, and it veers to the right. Or I want the ball to carry on after it's hit another ball. So now I hit the ball on the top, and my ball carries on. But I might want my ball to stop as soon as it hit another ball. In which case, I hit my ball on the bottom and it stops. So that's what it is, controlling the ball. Right, well, for those people who didn't know, I hope you are now enlightened a little bit. And for those people who did know, I was not trying to teach you to suck eggs. So, forgive me. Bye bye.